Do the bottom 2 stairs. This is not satisfying. Gosh, I could see the dust like lifting up from this. All right, 1 down, like so many more to go. All right, my friends, we are putting the Little Bissell Green Machine to the test today and see if it could clean these pretty filthy stairs of mine. This is going to be an intense workout for me as well. As you can see, we have quite a few stairs, and I mean quite a few. Let's get to work. So altogether, there's about 15 stairs. They're pretty steep. I have never shampooed them. I know, and it's been a while since they've been vacuumed as well, so I have to do a really good deep vacuum on them. And then I'm going to see if my little green machine can actually do a good job with these stairs. I mean, I do have like a more powerful rug cleaner, I think by Hoover, rug shampooer, but it's heavy. It'd be a lot of work for me to like pull them up and down the stairs, so I'm just gonna see what I could do today. All right, to vacuum these stairs, I'm gonna use my Shark Duo, which is a great vacuum. I love it so much, but it is heavy, girl, so, or guy, if you're watching. So I'm about to get my workout on. So you can see how dirty these stairs are. Yep, I gotta get into the corners of each one and then vacuum the whole stairs. I'll like each stair individually. Now, it's time to use a tool that I was so excited to buy because TikTok made me buy it for this particular moment. And it's this thing right here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this scraper tool. It's specifically made, it's a carpet scraper. This is for people who have like pets. We don't have any pets, but I just wanna scrape to get all the extra dirt out. And this is what it looks like when you use it. It kind of fluffs your carpet up to get all the dust out. See? So I'm going to scrape all the stairs. Pray for me, because my back is going to need it. Do the bottom 2 stairs. This is not satisfying. Gosh, I could see the dust like lifting up from this. All right, 1 down, like so many more to go. All right, my friends, I am all done. Each stairs has its own pile of dirt for me to vacuum. And so now I have my Shark attachment here, and I'm gonna go through and really vacuum well in several different directions each stair. Wow, the stairs look so much better already, especially when you look at it from up at the top. Maybe because, you know, all the dirt has been vacuumed up off of it, but talk about a workout though, y'all. Whew, that was a job and a half. I use my Shark Duo. I love this vacuum. We've had it for several years now. 0M. I love, love, love. You can see all that dust. That's crazy. I empty this every maybe 2 weeks or so, and that's wild how much dust is in your house and in your carpet, and you just don't even realize. But I love this vacuum, and I used the pet tool on the stairs. So another thing I love about this vacuum is that you can clean it out, and I think I'm going to do that too. It says remove from pod here, but you can clean out this brush roll. I'm gonna do that too. And now we need to take a little break, girl, so I can let my back rest, and then we'll start shampooing. Thank you so much to Green Chef for sponsoring today's video. Green Chef is a CCOF certified organic meal kit company that helps you cook clean, delicious dinners week after week. And I love Green Chef because on a day like today, where I just finished cleaning the stairs and my carpet bent over, I'm tired. I really don't feel like thinking about what to have or making sure I took something out the freezer. It takes all the guesswork out because everything comes to you already ready for you to just cook the meal. All the ingredients are there, all the instructions are there, and I love it. No matter if you are keto like I am, or if you're paleo or vegan or vegetarian, there is something for everyone when it comes to Green Chef. And the convenience and easiness of it just makes it so simple. It's like a treat for me and my family so that we don't have to always think about meal planning or coming up with something different, especially if everyone's tired of eating the same thing. I love the variety that it gives me. It's not the same meals over and over again. I always have something new, something fresh, something different. It's almost gourmet-like, where it's not just your basic, meat and potatoes or meat and a green vegetable. As a mom with 2 kids who is super busy, again, I just love working with Green Chef because it's so great. And I've gifted Green Chef boxes to some friends and family who I feel like would need it. Any family can really benefit from this. If you're interested, you could use my code GIA130 to get $130 off plus free shipping on your first box. Go to greenchef.com for more details. Here she is, the star of the show. Let's see how she can handle all these stairs. I only filled it halfway because I'll have to stop to go get my kids from school, and I want to keep using hot water. That's the only thing. They have an upgraded version. As a matter of fact, it's at Costco this month if you see this video on time. And I believe it's $99, and it's the one that has a heat mechanism to it, so it'll keep your water hot, which to me is worth it. I bought this on sale at Walmart for like $80, and it has totally been worth it. So let's see. Let's go ahead and get started. Y'all, doesn't it look good? I should have started up there and then worked my way down, but it's just easier for me to plug it in from down here than it is up there. So, but it is what it is. I'm 5 steps in, girl, and I'm ready for a break, but we're just gonna keep pushing. A little stain here. This is the second step. I'm gonna see if I could get that off because I wasn't gonna shampoo this side. I mean, we'll be here all day and all night, but let's see. Let's sit for a minute. Another little stain. Not sure how my children get this, whatever this is, on this carpet. Again, we don't have any pets, so let's see. I already pre-treated it. What you have to do is you have to spray it first and then it'll suck it up. So I let it sit for a few minutes and let's see how it does. It's been a couple of hours and I must say the carpet looks really good. It looks really, really good. All those little random stains that were on here, and it even feels fluffier, to be honest. I'm not even just saying that. It does feel fluffier. It's not as slippery. I'm really, really happy with the way it turned out. Now for the juicy part. How dirty was the water? That's the question here. I haven't looked yet. You know, we don't wear shoes in our home, except for like emergencies when we need to run upstairs for something when we're about to leave or something like that, but it's not often. So I don't expect for the water to be really, really dirty. But honestly, girl, you never know what you're gonna see. So let's go ahead and dump it out and see what it looks like. All right, from the looks of it, it looks pretty gross. I thought I vacuumed everything up, but clearly I didn't. I'm gonna have to wash this out. Ugh, this is so gross. Oh my gosh. Look how filthy that is, y'all. I did not expect for I did not know that the stairs were gonna be that dirty. Wow, that's gross. Ew. So gross, yo. This is not nasty. I'm gonna have to wash this out too. Rinse it really well. Wow, that's gross. But at least it's off my carpets. All right, my friends, that is it. I have clean stairs. The carpet feels great and nice and fluffed. Just glad to have that dirt off of the carpets. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.